Turbo is right now at this very decisive area, but will we finally see the bullish breakout or do we fall to even lower prices? In this video, I will talk about Turbo and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share the daily updates about Bitcoin, Turbo and all other cryptocurrency. First link in the description. So Turbo is right now one of the most hyped meme coins and made 1600% in the beginning of this year. And after the first all-time high, we then had this longer consolidation phase. And lately we then saw this next bullish push to the upside. From the bottom to the top, we saw a move about 300%. And since the newest all-time high, we then saw this bearish crash. And in the last video, we were about these prices. And I said the chance is very high that we will come to the 61.8 Fibonacci. And as you can see, after these prices, we then corrected to the downside again. And now we are in this very decisive area because on the one hand, we have this demand zone right here, which was the start of this bullish push. And we also have this rejection zone at this area right here. And if we have a look at this whole swing, we have the 61.8 Fibonacci. And here the chance is very high if we come back into the zone and see bullish price action that we will then continue the bullish breakout and had great chances to get into new spot positions. So the best case for me would be if we come back into the zone, see a reaction at this Fibonacci and see some slowly higher highs and higher lows. And then I would get into a long position because then the chance is very high that we are seeing the bullish breakout again. And here it's very important that we are holding this zone. If we are breaking this one, then I would have a look at this zone right here at the 78.6 Fibonacci. And I think here's also a great chance to get into long spot positions. But I think that this area will be the deciding zone because Turbo is one of the most hyped meme coins in the whole crypto space and we have a very high potential. We right now have a market cap of around $486 million. So there's much money in this coin, but we also have a great potential because, for example, Pepe is right now at a market cap around $3.4 billion. So just from the prices right now, we would have a potential 8 to 10x for Turbo. And I think Turbo is a great project with a very hyped community. So the chances are there that we can see even higher prices. And to calculate some potential price targets for this bull run, we are using the Fibonacci tool. And then we are getting this next potential price targets. And I think they are very realistic. From the price right now to this potential price target, we would have a potential over 330%, which is also really amazing. But I think the chance is high that Turbo could be a market cap of around $3 to $5 billion in the top of the bull run. Here would have a potential of 5 to 7 cents. I think this one is realistic for this bull run. Of course, these are just price predictions from the prices right now. And I would of course take some profits in this area because I bought many Turbo in this bear market area. But I would still hold some Turbo. And if we're coming into these levels, I would sell most of my coins in this area, because always if we are seeing the top of the bull run, then the chance increases that we are seeing an 80 to 90% correction for the altcoins. So I'll definitely sell most of my Turbo in this area. And of course, if we're hitting this ones, I will also sell much because I want to make strategically good buys and also take profits when I'm in good profit. And if you want to buy Turbo or other cryptocurrencies, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees. And with my link, you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So guys, all in all, I'm very bullish on Turbo on the long term. And I think this decisive area could be a great chance to get into new spot positions, especially if we are reaching this last Fibonacci and see some bullish interest out of this zone. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.